One of my favorite connection methods that I share with parents, and they often report back to me as one of their most effective ways to connect with their kids, is what I call letting them be the expert. So if you're finding it hard to connect with your kids and you know you want to spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes with them trying to connect at the beginning of the day when you get home from work or when they get home from school, my favorite all-time method that's the most effective is let them be the expert. So what that would look like for like a little one is you might say, what do you want to play? And they say, I want to play shops. Okay, what am I? Am I the customer or am I the shopkeeper? And you just ask them to like be the expert on the play, and they decide, they direct, they tell you what to do, and you just go, okay, and you go along with it. Older kids, say adolescents, you can ask them something like, I don't know, like, what's TikTok? Teach me how to make an account. Teach me how to do one of the dances. Or if they're really into Fortnite, can I play with you? Can you teach me how it works? Who's who? How do I shoot? What do I do? Snapchat, how do I send a snap? What are they called? How do I do it? How do you do the filters? Basically just anything that they're passionate about. And that could be sports. So asking them about their favorite team, who plays what position, where did they get drafted from, um, maybe how to do makeup if your kid's into makeup, whatever it is that they're interested in. It's about showing interest in that as well, and asking them to teach you and them be the expert and share their knowledge and expertise with you. If it's about a band, wait, so tell me, who are all the band members and where are they all from and what are their backgrounds? It doesn't matter what it is. It's just showing interest in something that the child is interested in, and then asking them to be the expert and educate you and teach you all about that thing. Works like a charm, and it is a beautiful way to connect with your kids.